If your vehicle is not equipped with this instrument panel, please see your owner's manual for more information. The rear automatic braking or RAB system can assist the driver when the vehicle is backing up. RAB operates when the shift lever is in the reverse position and the vehicle speed is less than approximately 9 miles per hour. If a risk of a collision with an obstacle is detected when your vehicle is backing up, the RAB system warning indicator will flash and the system will chime 3 times. The system will then automatically apply the brakes. After the automatic brake application, the driver must apply the brake pedal to maintain brake pressure. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings: driver assistance, emergency assist, then rear auto braking to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.